boys and girls. This is Unit 8, Day 5 lesson. And today we are going to practice some fluency using our fingers. Okay, so let's remember, we're just going to use one hand today. Let me back that up so you can see it a little bit better. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we start with our pinky because it's easier to hold up one pinky and move up like that instead of going like that. It's just hard for you to manipulate your hands. Okay, so I'm going to show you a problem. All right, so we're going to go 1 plus 1. What is that? Oop, 2. Okay, so 1 plus 1, 2. All right, let's do 1 plus 2. 1 plus 1, 2 equals 3. Okay. All right, let's do another one. 1 plus 1, 2, 3 equals 4. There we go. All right, now we're going to do some subtraction. Okay, so I have 1, take away 1. So you hold up your 1 and then take away 1 or subtract 1. 1 minus 1. And what's the answer? 0. Okay. 2 minus 1 equals 1. All right, and then here's another one. 3 minus 1 equals 2. All right, so now we are going to continue with talking about taller, shorter, longer, and aligning. Okay, so I have 3 markers here. And one of the things that we need to do is we need to put them in order from shortest to tallest. Okay, so I'm just going to use my eyeball and alignment strategy. So I'm going to align them like this. Okay. There we go. Ooh, it's rolling. There's kind of an incline there. Okay. So there we go. And then next thing, we're going to use a non-standard unit of measure. I'm just going to put those over here for right now. And then the non-standard unit we are going to use are pennies stacked on top of each other. And so do you remember we did this a little while back? We estimated. So can you estimate how many pennies it would take to get to the top of this highlighter? Did you say 5? I was thinking 5. So let's see. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. If you were 4, you were close. And then 5. So somewhere in between 4 and 5. Okay, then we have this marker. Okay, oop. I put it right next to it so you could see that it's about 5, and then maybe you could do 6. Okay, so 5. All right, and then let's look at that one. Okay, using that 5. So here's 1 next to it. We can do that. Okay, so was anybody thinking 6 or 7? That's probably what I was thinking too. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think it's somewhere between 7 and 8. Okay, there we go. And I probably should do this one too, just to set a good example. So we'll put 5 down, maybe 6. 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. 6. That's good. 6. So it's about 6. So it's not exact, all right? And so, you know, you would say, oh, this marker is about 4 or 5. Either answer would be correct because we're using non-standards. This one would be 5 or 6. And this one would be 7 or 8. Okay.